2016 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, navigation system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, driver lumbar, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel ABS, front floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, auto-off headlights, premium sound system, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. Come see the car for yourself.